Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen, we are going to make a very tasty and easy Rava Kesari recipe. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 1 cup of rava, 3/4 cup of sugar, 50 grams of cashew nuts, 25 grams of raisin, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of kesari powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and a pinch of salt. Switch on the stove and place one kadai. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now the ghee is warm, we can add the cashew nuts. Saute well until it turns to golden brown. Now I am going to add raisin. Saute well until the raisin becomes fluffy. Now it becomes golden brown so that we can take it out. In the same kadai, I am going to add 1 cup of rava. Saute well. We need to saute continuously. Now this is the right stage. I am going to switch off the stove. In a kadai, I am going to add 3 cups of water. For 1 cup of rava, we need to add 3 cups of water. Into this, I am going to add a pinch of kesari powder. It's less than 1/4 teaspoon. 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and a pinch of salt. To enhance the flavor, I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well. Once it comes to boiling point, we can start to add the roasted rava. Add the rava slowly and keep on stir it. Within 2 minutes, it will absorb all the water content. Now the rava also cooked very well. This is the right stage to add the sugar. Now I am going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix it well and stir it continuously. Now the sugar got melted. Again the rava will goes to the solid to semi-solid condition. Now the rava will absorb all the sugar. This is the right stage to add the fried cashew nuts and raisin. Mix it well. If you wish, you can add 2 more spoons of ghee also, but this much is enough for me. Now you can see the oil got separated from the kesari, and the kesari also will not stick into the kadai. So this is the right stage to switch off the stove. See how beautiful it is. It's really looking awesome and very soft and tempting. Let me present my dish. Now our mouth-watering Rava Kesari is ready. Now I'm going to taste it. Really awesome. Very tasty. Very soft texture we are having. Excellent taste. Do try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.